Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Chatbase login issues in 2026. If you can't sign in to your account, don't worry. These simple troubleshooting steps usually solve the problem, so let's get started. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address and password. Yeah, even a small typo can prevent you from logging in. If you've forgotten your password, click the **forgot password ** option on the login page and follow the instructions to reset your password using your email. Next, check your inbox for any verification email if your account hasn't been activated yet. If you don't see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. If you're still unable to sign in, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. You can also open Chatbase in an incognito window or use a different browser to rule out browser-related issues. Make sure your internet connection is stable and temporarily disable any browser extensions that might interfere with the login process. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Chatbase support and provide any error messages or screenshots you're seeing so they can help resolve the issue more quickly. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the most common Chatbase login issues. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.